cash basis, this is a moneymaker. And welcome to How to Like Couponers. So today I'm here with a CVS couponing haul. 2 transactions. I went today, Monday. You might be seeing this on Tuesday. Really great time over at CVS. So I did 2 transactions, rolling extra bucks, actually rolling the cash card from last week into deals this week, and then over here rolling stuff to get another cash card back. And I also hit beauty bucks. So really, really great. So first deal I did was on the Tresemme. I love this deal. These are $5.79, buy one, get one half price. So that brought it to $16.78 because I bought 4 of them. There is a $4 off of any 14 hair care CRT. I got that CRT last week. That's why I like to shop at CVS on the same day, because I can use my CRTs from last week that are expiring today on Monday and use my new CRTs from this week. So I had a 4 off 14 from last week that I utilized. And then I had 2 of the $5 off 2 manufacturer coupons from last week's Retail Me Not insert. So I paid $2.78 out of pocket, and I got back a $5 extra buck. So I made like crazy money on the Tresemme deal. And this all goes towards beauty bucks. And so I'll definitely hit beauty today with all this stuff. The Crest with scope is $3.79. Thank you to LA Savings 8 for this. I've watched her videos a lot. Haven't really been watching the CVS ones because I haven't been going to CVS, but now that I'm back at CVS, I'm going to watch her CVS stuff every Sunday morning, bright and early. So there's a $1 load to card coupon, so you pay $2.79, and I got back a $3 extra buck. And I had a 50-cent app-only coupon that would not apply to this, and I don't even know why, but it did not work. These are all free items with CRTs. So I had a $2 off of any CVS Health Pain Relief item. This patch is $1.99. My coupon just marked itself down to $1.99, so that was a freebie. I got the CVS baby wipes for $1.39, and I had that $2 off any baby care CRTs. That marked itself down to $1.39. I had on any CVS stomach item $3 off. These are $2.69 for these generic Tums, and they just took off the money, so that was a great deal. Sure deodorant this week is $2. You're getting back a $2 extra buck, making it free. And then the Thanksgiving Hallmark cards. Thank you to Amy Stotts for this one. I didn't see these the last time I went. These are 99 cents. I had a $2 off of any 2 CRTs. So I bought 3 of them from $2.97. I used that CRT, making it 97 cents for 3. And then there was a deal going. You get $3 in extra bucks when you buy 3 of them. So I made like $2.01 on this. So in this transaction, it came down to $6.12 plus my tax, $7.51. Used my $10 cash card from last week. So I didn't pay anything for this. And then I got back a 5, a 3, a 2, and a 3. So I got back 6, 11, $13 in extra bucks that I rolled over to here. I did have remaining money on that cash card that I used. Okay, so this is all a part of the cash card, except this Tide Simply's not. This isn't probably the best deal I could have done, but I went ahead and did it. So I got 2 of the Head & Shoulders for men's hair products, 2 for $12. I got 3 of the Pantene, which are 3 for $12, I believe. Yes. Okay, so I got one of the 3 Minute Miracles and then this curling one. And then I got one of the Gain Flings for $4.94 and one of the Gain Fireworks for $4.94. And those were all cash card. This was not cash card. This is just the Tide Simply was $2.94 on a sale this week. So here's how this all broke down. So I had a whole mess of coupons. I had 2 different CRTs for $3 off 12 on hair care. Now these totaled $24. So I could use both of those CRTs because it's $24. So that knocked off $6 the hair care. I had a 5 off 3 Pantene digital. I had a 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders digital. I had a $2.50 Head & Shoulders CRT. So there's a whole mess of stuff right there. And then the laundry deal, I got one of the Gain Flings, $4.94. I used a $2 coupon from yesterday's paper. I got one of the Gain Fireworks, $4.94, and I used a $1 off coupon from yesterday's paper. And I got a Tide Simply for $2.94, and I used a 50-cent coupon. I had a 3 off 12 laundry care CRT. So this all came to $15.76 before tax. And I got back the $10 cash card. So essentially, this is like $5.70. But here's how this all spilled out. there is a Savings Star cumulative offer I've been working towards for a long time. Working towards it for a long time. Spend 50, get back 15. And I only needed like a little bit more to do it. And so I finished it off today. So I prorated it out that out of the $15, $3.59 of that went towards today's haul. So this is like I said, $15.76. I got the $10 cash card and $3.59 from Savings Star. So it was really, really a great deal for this. But of course, since I was rolling my cash card, this came to $4.70. I had $2.49 in the cash card. So I actually only paid $2.21 out of my pocket for all this stuff. I only paid $2.21. And then Savings Star will give me the money back because of the Crest and all the Pantene and Head and Shoulders. So really, cash basis, this is the Moneymaker. Net basis, I don't know what the net price was. I'll calculate that out. But I gave you the breakdowns for everything. So you guys can figure that out. So that's all I got at CVS this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Pretty good week over there. I'm enjoying it. There won't be an Ibotta haul today because my bonus literally sucks. So there's not going to be an Ibotta haul. But this is the only haul you guys are going to see today. So that's all I got. And thank you guys so much for watching.